Due to the death of the Queen of England, I'm going to prepare her favorite dessert for you today. Chocolate biscuit cake. This report states that she especially enjoyed a classic icebox style cake using simple tea biscuits suspended in an egg enriched ganache and then chilled before coated in a thin layer of chocolate. This was something she requested daily as long as it was around. According to the royal chefs, it was a dessert truly fit for royalty. So if you want to make this delicious chocolate dessert, stay with me until the end of this video. At first, we need 240 grams of vegan condensed milk. In the video above, I tell you how to prepare this vegan condensed milk. When it starts bubbling lightly with foams, you should take it off the gas so it doesn't burn. Then slowly sift 100 grams of cacao powder. Sifting cacao powder makes your chocolate have a softer texture. And do this 3 times. And this is the secret of making a delicious chocolate. Did you know this secret? Come on me. Stir the chocolate well to achieve this texture. Now it's time to transfer the chocolates to the desired container. And leave it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After you take the chocolate out of the fridge, cut it as you like. Then cover the chocolates with cacao powder. And shape the chocolates as you like. And cover the chocolates again with cacao powder. Now our chocolate is ready. You can eat this chocolate with orange juice for breakfast and enjoy. This chocolate is really delicious, I tell you without exaggeration. If you like this video, please like it, and if you want to see my videos again, please subscribe to my channel. Love you all!